Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Domo AI, and this is a fantastic next generation AI tool. In this video, I'm going to show you all kinds of cool things you can do with Domo AI, but the first thing is I'm going to show you how you can take any video and turn it into Animate. And not only that, you can do it with one click. It is absolutely piece of cake easy, and you could turn it not into one style, but 12 different anime styles. It's absolutely wild. All the videos, by the way, that you see running behind me were created with Domo AI, and yes, it's that good. Also, I'm going to show you how you can make your character move. If you have a character and you want to animate it and make it look cool, maybe get it dancing. You've seen all those TikTok videos. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And I'm also going to quickly show you their text to image or their prompt to image generator. They have an AI image generator built into this tool. It is all here, guys. It's wild. It's easy to use. Let's dig in. All right, the first step, you want to go to domoai.app. Once you get here, just click on Get Started Now. You'll also see it has Try on Discord. They do have a Discord version, and it's very, very good, and they have an active community with lots of giveaways and stuff there. But I'm going to show you the web version because it's just more my style. So here we go. I'm going to click on Get Started Now, and then I'm logged in. If you don't have an account, you can log in with your email, with your Discord, or with your Gmail account, which is what I went with. So I'm in. Now, let's get cooking. All right, here we are. We're logged in the back end. First thing you'll see up at the top here is they've got an event coming up, Halloween event. All you got to do is just join them on Discord, submit your creations, and then they give away credits, they give away cash. Pretty cool stuff. Very active on Discord. Great community over there. Highly recommend checking it out. Links in the description. That said, the other thing I want to show you before we start hitting the tools and pushing the buttons here is if we go down a little bit, they've got some showcases here. So if you want to, get some inspiration and see what other people are doing, or alternatively, like for example, I'm going to click on the video showcase here. I like this one in the top left here. I can just go ahead and click on Remix, and it's going to go ahead and let me cook something that looks very similar to this, including giving you the exact prompt that was used and everything. So if something catches your eye, try it out. That said, the first thing we're going to do now is go into AI tools. We're going to click on video, and we're going to turn video into other styles. And in this one, we're starting off with anime. Here we go. All right, adding style to your videos, piece of cake. All you got to do here is under AI tools, click on video, turn video into other styles. Once you do that, you're going to see here, the next step here is we're going to go ahead and upload the video that we want to use. So in this case, I'm going to go into my Finder. I'm going to go into my Domo AI folder, and here we go. I've got one called Female Anime, and if I click on it, it's just got this, girl in an anime outfit. And, well, I want to turn her into real anime because I'm original like that. So here we go. I'm going to drop that right here and watch this. It's going to upload the video. Now, while it does that, let's take a look here on the left side. You'll see here the first thing, we can change the prompt. So I can go female playing how do I spell that? Ukulele. I got it right. Playing ukulele in an anime. I'm just adding in a prompt there. That's not required, but it gives it a little bit more of a feel here. But here's where the magic happens. Look under style here. We've got anime version 1, flat color anime style. That might be the style you're looking for. It might not. Click on it. And then here we go. You'll see here that I think there's like 38 or 39 different styles, all kinds of different styles. We'll look at a few of them here, but for this one, let's go and click on anime. And there are, 12 different styles of anime here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. Sorry, I can't count. 13 different ones. So we've got anime V1 selected. But if any of these styles kind of catch your eye, all you have to do is just click on it. So let's see what we got here. Anime version 5.2. That looks pretty traditional. What's this one? Anime 9. Okay, this looks like the old school detective novel style. Okay, I'm sold. Also, underneath that look here, we've got longer durations. They can go up to 30 seconds. And that's an important point because some tools, they give you a 3-second limit or a 5-second limit. These guys go longer here. So I'm going to go with, let's go with just a short one, 3 seconds, because I don't want to use too much computing power here. And then here we go. We can go with more video, more prompt for refer. I'm going to go with more video. I prefer, and what this basically means is how much emphasis are they going to put on what I typed in here versus the video. So I want the video to be the driving force, and then I'm going to leave the aspect ratio as is. And then we got some other options here. Screen keying, lip sync. She's not talking. She's not singing in this. Subject only is a fantastic option. Basically, if we just want her to be in anime format and the rest of the background to be regular, we have that option. Also, no watermark is selected. Okay, you know what? Let's go with this one to start. I'm going to click on generate. It's going to take, 60 seconds or so. So I'm going to come back when this is done, and then I'm going to show you what we got, and then I'm going to show you how we can make a few tweaks right after that. All right, so it's gone and done it here. Let's see what we got here. I can already tell it's good. I'm going to click on it, and then, it started it already. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right back to the beginning. Let's set it to full screen, and wow, look at that here. Look at that. That is amazing. That was one click. Crazy. Let's just take a quick look at this snippet. There we go. She's playing her guitar, anime style. You know what, guys? That is pretty wild. And when you figure that we did that literally with one click drag and drop, this is pretty wild stuff. This is amazing. That said, you can also see here that if you want to regenerate it or upscale it, if I click on upscale here, you see we can go to 1080, or we can even go to 4K if we so choose. Just so you guys know that that is available. You can also regenerate it, like I said here, 30 seconds, up to 30 seconds. If you want to go ahead and do any of those advanced changes, like maybe make it so that she's in anime as the subject and the background is not, kind of like one of those old AHA videos, you can do that as well, guys. Amazing stuff. Highly recommend. Try it out here. There's like 13 different anime styles you can go with. Let's go back now and check out some of the other styles. All right, if I want to try a second style, I'll just click on video again. Let's get right into it. And then here we go. Instead of anime, let's go with something else. I just clicked on anime V1 and illustration version 18. Look at that. That's perfect. They've got a Halloween contest coming up. Let's click on it. Why not? Okay, good. Let's go ahead with a prompt before I do that. Let's just bring a video in. So I'm going to go into Finder. And I don't know, let's bring in the same video. Let's see what this one looks like in scary version. So scary anime girl, goth, emo, scary. I don't know. I'm just putting in some prompts. It's not a big deal, but it just helps to make it a little bit more accurate. I'm going to click on 5 seconds here. Now let's just do a quick 3-second one. I don't need too many credits, too much generation time here. And then I'm going to go with more towards the prompt this time, instead of more video, and I'm going to leave everything else as is. I'll click on generate, and let's test out a second style here. I'll come back when this is done. Should be just a minute or two, under 3 minutes. Then I'll show you the next step. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and click on this here, and look at this. Okay, let's start it at the beginning. Let's make it full screen again. Oh my God, look at this. Holy smokes. Let's hit play. Guys, this is a home. This is absolutely fantastic. Look, it even turned like the teddy bears and stuff that was on the couch into skulls and things like that. And she's like this goth little anime demon. I mean, we did that with one click, guys. This is absolutely astounding. You really got to give this a try. And I'm going to submit this for the Halloween contest. So there you go. That is the anime / illustration / animation functionality. It's top-notch stuff, guys. You see it behind me. Let's get into the next thing. All right, so here we are back on the main screen again. I'm going to go ahead and show you the move functionality. This is one of my favorites. Check this out here. Look at this here. We're just going to show you an example. This is an anime girl doing some dancing, but here's the thing. This was made from an image and a reference video. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm just going to zip out of that there. I'm going to go into my Finder. Let's go ahead and drop in an image first. So this is the girl here that we're going to use. And I've got this cute girl. She's kind of anime, but she's got her old little, thing there. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the dancing video. So in the second part here, it says upload video or drag and drop file here. So I'm going to do that right there. So now we've got this image and we've got this lady here dancing. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, look at that. She's got some dance moves going on here. We're going to combine these things into a cool video. So here we go. In the prompt, I'm just going to type in girl dancing. It's very, very simple. Doesn't have to be too fancy. And then under style, let's go with anime version 6. I really like that style. Let's go with that one. Okay, good enough. Now, the last thing we want to do here is how long do I want the video to be? I don't know. Let's go. The dance video is 5 seconds, so let's do 5 seconds. And then last but not least, if you had a green screen image, like if you had a girl dancing against green screen, for example, you can key it out with screen keying. But that's really all there is to it. No watermark is checked. I don't want a watermark. Now, with our prompt set up, I'm just going to hit generate. It's going to take a few seconds. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got from that. Oh, here we go. I'm going to click on this here. And then, look at that here. I'm going to actually go ahead and increase the size so we can see it a little better here. Here we go. Look at that. That is fantastic. That was made just literally from one click, guys. Just put the prompt in and off we go. And this one, what I made before, this was the same style. Here we go. Look at this one here. We've got her sort of dancing, doing her thing. That was with the same images, same pictures. So if you don't get it 100% right, like maybe you want less of the thing in her hands, you can go ahead and click on regenerate and give it another crack. But hey, I like it. And of course, you can click on these three little dots here, the ellipses, to download it, so that I got it and it's now in my folder. So there we go. Now I'm going to go back to the main page again. And one last thing I want to show you while I got you here is their image generator. They have an AI image generator built in, and it's also very, very good. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is the AI image generator. Just click on GEN here from the back end here, from their homepage, and then presto, we're in the image generator. It is a piece of cake to use. On the left side here, you'll see the tutorial if you want to go with it. I don't need to use that. Let's go with style. Let's click on style here. It has defaulted to FXV1, but you can quickly look through here and see all sorts of different styles here. So let's go with, I don't know, this one, Animate V3. That looks pretty cool. You know what? Let's go with the Animate V3 because we're going for a Halloween theme. Let's do it. Let's click on that one here. You'll notice here you can upload an image. If you want a reference image, you do not have to do it. So in this case, I'm going to skip it. And then I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 69, which is standard widescreen. And then literally all you need to do down here at the bottom is type in what you want. So maybe I want a scary French bulldog Halloween themed image. Something like that. I mean, I'm not a prompt engineer, but you know what? Just go with it. Have some fun here. Type in whatever you want. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on generate, and then watch this. It's going to create the task, and then should only take a few seconds here to go ahead and cook up an example. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got with some scary French bulldog action here. So it actually cooked up 4 images for us, not just one, but 4. And let's go ahead and click on the first one here. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll zoom in for effect. Looks pretty good. Let's go with the second one. See what the second one looks like. Here we go. All right, we got 3 of the little buggers in there, and they all got their tongues out. Nice. And keep in mind that we did select a very specific American comic style, scary style. So these aren't going to look realistic. This is quite dramatic, but it's for effect. This one's pretty good too. Here, it's got some bats in the background, some scary pumpkins, and then the last one I think is going to be my favorite. Let's zoom in and take a look. Yeah, I like that one, guys. You got a pumpkin in the background, bulldog in the front. You know, pretty cool stuff. Comic book style. If you like a particular one, you can click on upscale, which I highly recommend, or you can vary it. So if you want to, you know, say, hey, it got 90% of the way there, but you want to make some changes to it, you can do that. If you want to keep it as is, click on the download button, and you'll see that I've downloaded it here. But this is just another thing here. So, you know, if instead of having to, you know, use your AI image generator and then use an AI video generator and all that stuff, you can kind of do it all here in Domo AI. It's pretty good for that. So there you go, guys. That is a quick tutorial overview of Domo AI. That's not all the features and functionalities here. You will notice that they've got some Animate options. They've got some upscaling options, other things that I recommend you try out. But this is a fantastic program. Links in the description below. 10% off if you use my link. Up to you. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Be back soon.